Banana peels are as valuable as gold, and you should not throw them away. Hello, nice to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Bananas are a familiar fruit in most families. From breakfast to dessert, they are always present. But after eating, the part that everyone throws away is the banana peel. We often think banana peels are just to throw in the trash quickly. But the surprising thing is, banana peels, which seem useless, can be turned into extremely useful tips in everyday life. So, what can banana peels do? Today, I will reveal to you some extremely cool and easy banana peel recycling tips that anyone can do right at home. Watch the video to turn trash into treasure. You will never look at banana peels the same again. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. Fertilize plants. Many people like to grow potted plants and need to buy fertilizers for better plant growth. Those who love to grow plants will know that fertilizers are increasingly expensive and sometimes ineffective. Did you know that banana peels can also be used as natural fertilizers for plants? Don't rush to throw them away because that's too wasteful. The method is extremely simple. After eating the banana, keep the peel. Use clean scissors or a knife to cut the banana peel into small pieces so that the nutrients can easily dissolve. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Prepare a pot of clean water, then put the banana peel in the pot. Next, boil this mixture for about 10 to 15 minutes over low heat. During the boiling process, nutrients such as potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and calcium in the banana peel will dissolve into the water. After boiling, let it cool completely. Use a sieve to filter the water. Discard the cooked banana peel. You can pour this banana water into a watering can and use it to water flowers, ornamental plants, or even vegetables. Note: only water 1 to 2 times per week. For small or young plants, dilute with water to avoid excess nutrients. Banana peel water is rich in potassium and nutrients, helping plants grow well, bloom evenly, and develop strong roots. In particular, this method does not require composting, has no bad smell, and is completely environmentally friendly. Try it today. Method 2. Clean leather bags and wallets with banana peels. Have you ever opened the cupboard and seen your favorite leather bag covered in dust, even dull and lightly moldy? Many people will immediately think of using cleaning chemicals, But in fact, banana peels can do that too, in a much gentler and more natural way. Yes, you heard right. Banana peels, which we often throw away after meals, have the ability to clean and refresh the surface of leather items such as handbags, wallets, and shoes. The method is very simple. Use the inside of the banana peel. Gently rub the leather surface. Then take a clean, soft cloth and wipe thoroughly. The results will surprise you. Dirt fades, plaque disappears, and the leather surface is bright, smooth, and clear, like having just had a spa at home. This tip is especially effective for leather items that are slightly moldy or discolored over time. Just 1 minute a week can help you keep your favorite items looking shiny and beautiful, without the need for chemicals or wax. A banana peel, seemingly useless, can become a powerful assistant for your entire leather wardrobe. Surprising, right? Method 3. Wipe the leaves of ornamental plants with banana peels. Have you noticed, after a while, the potted plants in the house will be covered with dust? The leaves will become dull and lifeless? Even though you have watered them enough, the plants still look droopy and lack nutrients? The reason is very simple. That layer of dust blocks light, making it difficult for the plants to photosynthesize and gradually weaken. But you don't need to buy a bottle of leaf polish spray because a banana peel is enough. The method is extremely simple. Take the inside of the banana peel, gently wipe each leaf, especially those with large leaf surfaces such as beetle, peace lily, monstera, or areca palm. After just a few minutes, you will see the miracle. The dust disappears, the leaves are shiny, and the plants look fresh and healthy as if they had just been dressed in a new coat. Not only beautifying, banana peels also leave a light, natural layer of nutrients, helping the leaves retain moisture and photosynthesize better. Who would have thought that something as seemingly discarded as a banana peel could be used to renovate your bonsai tree to make it look so beautiful? Method 4. Trap fruit flies with banana peels. Have you ever seen this? Just leave some ripe fruit on the kitchen counter and suddenly fruit flies appear everywhere. They fly around, cling to the fruit, causing great discomfort. But you don't need chemical sprays, because banana peels can also help you trap these cunning fruit flies. The method is extremely simple. Take a piece of ripe banana peel, put it in a small glass jar. Cover the jar tightly with plastic wrap. Then use a toothpick to poke a few small holes, or if you have a lid, you can punch a few holes too. The fermented aroma from the banana peel will attract fruit flies to enter through the small holes. And the interesting thing is, they won't be able to find their way out. After just a few days, you will be surprised to see the jar full of fruit flies. At that point, just throw away the whole jar or get rid of the flies, and you're done. No chemicals, no unpleasant odors, and most importantly, clean house absolutely safe for children and pets. A super simple tip, but surprisingly effective. Method 5. Clean stainless steel pots and pans with banana peels. Stainless steel is dull, pots and pans are dirty. You've been cleaning them, but they still don't shine? Try this unique tip. Use banana peels. It may sound unbelievable, but banana peels combined with a little baking soda are a magical cleaning duo for all stainless steel utensils in the kitchen. The method is very simple. Put banana peels plus a small spoon of baking soda in a blender. Add a little water and blend until smooth. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then, use a soft cloth or dishwashing sponge to absorb this mixture. Then rub it on the sink, spoons and forks, or even stainless steel pots that haven't been polished for a long time. You will see the miracle. Faded stains, stubborn stains disappear as if they never existed. Stainless steel is shiny like new, without using strong chemicals. So, from something that seems to be discarded like banana peels, we can do many interesting and useful things. If you find these tips useful, don't forget to share the video to spread the frugal and environmentally friendly lifestyle. And if you have any other tips with banana peels, leave a comment below. I would love to learn more from you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Great Tips channel so you don't miss the latest videos. And now, goodbye, and see you again